Hi everyone! Welcome to this Game Wiki session. Today, we'll be taking a look at the crossbow. It's an overlooked, yet formidable weapon. However, a certain level of proficiency and skill is required to wield the crossbow effectively. Today, we'll be providing an in-depth introduction to this weapon and arming you with the expertise needed to excel on the battleground. Firstly, the crossbow's damage output is exceptionally high. Other than shotguns, the crossbow's damage is currently the third highest among all weapons in the game, surpassing well-known sniper rifles like the M24, Kar 98K, and more. With a headshot, enemies are eliminated in one hit, even if they have a level 3 helmet equipped. Similarly, the crossbow also deals great damage to the torso. Body shots with the crossbow can directly eliminate enemies with level 1 armor or no armor. Even when facing enemies with level 2 or 3 armor, 2 well-aimed shots from the crossbow are all that's needed to send them back to the lobby. As the crossbow is nearly silent, your attacks can go virtually unnoticed by enemies. Therefore, you can patiently launch multiple attacks to eliminate foes. The tension when you lie in wait, the excitement while aiming at your enemy, and the thrill of eliminating them. Each step will send your adrenaline surging through your veins. If the crossbow is your main weapon, a high-powered scope is a must. However, due to the bolt drop when firing over long distances, you'll need to learn how to raise the muzzle. With that, we'll demonstrate how to snipe at distances of 50 meters, 100 meters, 150 meters, and 200 meters. At 50 meters, align the crosshair of the scope with your target. 100 meters. No scope. Aim the first dot below the crosshair at the enemy's head. 4 times scope. Align the third horizontal line of the crosshair with the top of the enemy's head. 6 times scope. Align the first horizontal line of the 2 horizontal lines below the crosshair with the lower part of the enemy's head. 150 meters. No scope. Aim the second dot below the crosshair at the enemy's head. 4 times scope. Aim using where the middle line and the spot roughly 1 mark below the bottommost horizontal line of the crosshair intersect. 6 times scope. Align the horizontal line at the 800 mark on the lower left of the crosshair with the enemy's head. 200 meters. No scope. Aim the midpoint of the second and third points below the crosshair at the enemy's head. 4 times scope. Align the bottommost horizontal line of the crosshair with the middle bottom position. 6 times scope. Aim using where the middle line and the spot roughly 1 mark below the 300 mark line in the lower left intersect. The accuracy of the crossbow at a distance of 200 meters or more is relatively low. You can mark out and measure the distance between the enemy's location and you before adjusting the crosshair accordingly. Consistent practice is key to enhancing your accuracy. Be sure to keep in mind that the crossbow cannot be equipped with an 8 times scope. Furthermore, the quiver is an important attachment for the crossbow. When equipped, it can reduce the reload speed from 3.4 seconds to 2.3 seconds, allowing you to swiftly launch a second attack. Another important attachment, the tactical gunpowder tool, will be available in version 2.8. If you miss the enemy, the gunpowder on the bolt will explode shortly after, causing area damage. That's a wrap for our crossbow introduction. What are you waiting for? Play PUBG Mobile and become a crossbow assassin. See you next time.